Hello guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well and enjoying this Bitcoin momentum, this crypto momentum. Bitcoin has emerged from 29,000 low to 50,000 high, and right now we are eagerly waiting for bull alt run season. Before that, you need to know about what cryptos you need to hold before the next bull run. So without wasting your time, today we will start with the next project that we are emphasizing you that you should buy it before it skyrocket to 100x or 1000x. That coin I will be revealing today with the reasons that is justified to buy it. Today we are going to discuss about the Raka, Radio Kaka, NFT and gamify technology that is bringing metaverse to this crypto world. Yes, this is the first project on the metaverse. So what is metaverse, that you can that we will discuss later on, but what all you need to know about is today's price of this Radio Kaka project, that is Raka coin, is 0.00068 after correction from morning. Today is the big day for Raka because today they have live interactions on YouTube channel, on their official YouTube channel about the metaverse, that is the next big thing in the crypto space. So what is metaverse? I'll give you a little bit introduction about metaverse. Is they are launching USM metaverse by the mid of this by the first quarter of 2022, and in this next month they are launching their beta version. So USM is the United States of Mars, and they are creating metaverse on USM. So how this project is very important for have you seen the spike of the NFT coins since 1 month cycle? NFT coins are booming. NFT and gaming coins, XC, Sandbox, TLM, Allies, and many coins are booming. They are working on NFTs as well as they are working on future trend of gamify, where you can earn with their games, right? You need to hold that particular coin. If you are using Axie Infinity platform, then you need to hold this Axie coin. So let's talk about this Raka. Raka is doing the same kind of a thing, but basically they are moving further ahead. They are the official NFT manager of May Musk. May Musk is a mother of Elon Musk, and you know how much impactable this Elon Musk is to the crypto space or to any space right now, because he is the #1 billionaire in the world right now, right? So if इमेजिन अगर वो एक ट्वीट भी करता है, सो क्रिप्टो में क्या बवाल मचता है. सो दैट यू नीड टू कंसीडर दैट व्हेन दिस NFTs आर लॉन्च, श्योर ही विल ट्वीट फॉर हिज मदर. एंड आज की बात करें, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट टुडे स्टेटस, दे हैव अनवेल्ड द मिस्ट्री बॉक्स ऑफ मे मस्क today on Binance NFT platform, right? So Binance is the biggest marketplace. Binance is the biggest cryptos place for cryptos, and again they have launched there in today's meeting. Mr. CZ, Changpeng Zhao, May Musk, along with Binance crypto manager and biggest industry expert, they will be going to discuss future about the crypto, DeFi, gamify and metaverse. So that is going to be the next level change in the crypto world, and this token is at very cheap price right now. So you need to pick it right now from any DEX, from any exchange that you can buy. Right now it's available on PancakeSwap, BakerySwap and on MDEX exchange. But you need to consider that you are buying a perfect token with a perfect address, and that is on V2, because Raka V2 is now already launched. Now V1 V2 का ये मैं आपको चेन दिखा देता हूँ. अगर V1 टोकन डिसकंटिन्यू होने तक आपने V2 में उसको स्वैप नहीं किया, then you might be lost all of your tokens, and you might lost your liquidity. So be aware कीप अप टू डेट टू योर सेल्फ. हम इतना अप टू डेट रहने के बाद भी हमने मून बॉयज जो आगे सजेस्ट किया था उसमें हमने मून बॉयज को ओरम में नहीं कन्वर्ट कर पाए एंड देन वी हैव लॉस्ट. बट somewhere in moon boys they have given a small time frame like 1 day or 2 days to convert all your MBS token to Aurum token. That is very little span, but this time in Raka they have given enough time and enough contribution. Second biggest thing about this is the tokenomics behind this Radio Kaka token, that is Raka token, is very pretty much impressive. At first sight I was quite little bit confused about this tokenomics, and I was worried about the 500 billion supply of this token, that is initial supply. But then I come to understand that after launching of V2 this 20th August they have burned around 50 billion of supply, then 70 billion is locked for marketing, for team, for developers, and for their perspective development, right? So of course the team is quite roadmap oriented, they are goal oriented, and they are doing quite impressive since 10 or 15 years, because they are the developers from the Tencent games. They have prepared many gamifying platform. They have their core team is very impressive, I can say. You can research, you can do your own research on radiokaka.com as well as on many platforms, because this is going to be the next big thing in crypto market. Likewise we have suggested SafeMoon. You are late in SafeMoon, no worried. You are late in this Binance, no worried. You are late in this Ethereum, but you should not miss this next generation coins. If you still worried and you don't understand this project, आँख बंद कीजिए, SafeMoon उठाइए, आँख बंद कीजिए, Shiba उठाइए. That will give you something, at least great things in your life. But again वो चीज़ मैं रिपीट करूँगा, if you think this crypto space is bubble or scam or scheme, then go away, stay away from this space, do your 9 to 5 stuff and enjoy your fucking bloody life. So ये हुआ रेडियो काका के बारे में. देन NFT, नॉन फंजिबल टोकन, दैट आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन, एंड गेमिफाई स्पेस that I was elaborating since February 2021. So this is this space taking time, because development and something to build is taking time. So you need to wait and watch for particular things like right now this that projects that already keep building something on this DeFi space, on this farming space. Yeah, of course Raka has the swapping, the liquidity pool and all the things that can cover DeFi, gamify and earning with this space, as well as MetaMask NFTs. So all they have combined in their space with the huge core team and the beautiful team. So what you need to do is you need to pick this coin right now. I'll explain you how to buy. I'll send you my link over there, or you can ask me how, so I can send you info as well. Because before listing to Binance or some big exchanges, you need to have it on your wallet. That is the big thing. So इसका प्राइस प्रेडिक्शन की बात करता हूँ. अगर अभी की बात करें, ये मंथ में ये रह रहा है तो ऑलमोस्ट 10x तो यहाँ से होना ही होना है. ऑलरेडी जो 10x पीछे से होके आया है. देन फर्दर पर्टिकुलरली बिफोर लॉन्चिंग बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं, बट 0.1 तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर ही रहा हूँ. अगर टोकनॉमिक्स और प्रीटी इंप्रेसिव हुई, अगर बर्निंग रेट और भी ज़्यादा हुआ, सो इट माइट गेट टच $1 प्रीटी इजीली. सो enjoy and buy कीजिए रेडियो काका टोकन. बाय बाय. Wait for my next video that we will discuss about this 50,000 level and the next what is going to happen next. Till date आपको मेरे ट्विटर पे एक्टिव रहना है, जो है @chase777. यूट्यूब पे भी लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. बाय बाय. थैंक यू.